Hi Charmers, what's up? Welcome to another video. It's your girl Darlene. I'm super excited because on today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to achieve an everyday brow look using the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Styler. I'm super excited. In case you didn't know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription service and we deliver a box with full-size beauty products to your doorstep every single month. And you can actually upgrade to our premium box for only $10 more, which is amazing. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm super excited, you guys, because this tutorial is such a simple one, but it does make a huge difference because brows do frame your face. I actually heard that Miss Rihanna herself likes to do her brows with two shades. So she uses a lighter shade at the beginning part of her brow and then a deeper shade at the end to fill it in. And what that does is that actually creates a ombre effect, which looks even more natural. So that is what we are going to be doing today. I have the shade deep black and also medium brown, so let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting with the lighter shade, just like this. And as you can see, I'm not applying too much pressure. And I'm actually doing hair-like strokes on my brow. It's very simple to do with the pencil because it's actually so fine that really you don't really have to be an expert to achieve this brow look. So as you can see, it already starts looking a little more filled in. I'm using the petal brush, which is on the other end, to help brush my brows coming through, and it actually helps spread out the excess product. And I feel like when you're doing brows, you should go little by little instead of going with a lot of product at first, because it's actually easier to control if you do it that way. As you can see, the brow is already starting to look filled in, but it looks very natural, which is what I'm trying to achieve. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, the front part of my brow is already filled in, but it looks so natural, you guys. Like, you would literally have to get super up close into my brow to actually see that I have the pencil, which is amazing. So now with the darker shade that I have here, which is the deep black, I'm going to fill out the end of my brow, and I'm pretty much using the same motion. And again, take it little by little. Don't forget to help yourself with the petal brush, which I actually love because my brow hairs are a little bit on the rebel side, so they need a brush that is actually going to comb them through. This one does the job, so it's a win-win for me. All right, you guys, one last comb, and this baby is done. Look at that. She's ready. She's ready to go out. Look at that. Major difference, you guys. Seriously. Yes. No. What do you guys think? All right, Charmers, and this is the end result. My brows are looking on fleek. Again, I used the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Styler. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new today. Don't forget, of course, to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!